Alright, what you want to do is to make slime. You need soap, Dawn, whatever you got, kitchen soap, and baking soda. And then
I can give you 100 million reasons. He's only here for one. Reason number 1. You're just like my dad. A no good, dried up old fucking daddy.
and a bowl.
Sure, SpongeBob. If you can prove
Pour.
you're the most fun planet in the next 10 seconds,
You pour this in here. Put that in there. Got it. And then take the soap, pour it in there.
okay, I gotta admit, that one's kind of fun. I think he's hurt. He's not hurt. Maybe he's a zombie. If he comes back as a zombie and eats my brain, I'm totally not going to be your friend anymore. You're jealous.
And you got your spoon, and then you just mix it up. You mix it up. See, it's like that, and then you need green food coloring. Put about like I don't know, maybe like 6 drops, and it'll turn out like this. It'll turn out like this. Alright, see ya.